Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for August. This month's theme is the Beauty Olympics. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag design features a lavender purple faux leather with colorful patches reminiscent of a varsity jacket. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Stone Street Soaphouse Hey Ho Wholesome Body Souffle, Tony Moly I'm Red Wine Pore Tightening Mask, Beauty Vaulte Regal Palette, Benefit Porefessional Matte Primer, and the M2U Makeup Blending Sponge. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Fleur and B Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream, Keys Soul Care Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream, Voss Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask, Iconic London Treat Yourself Eyeshadow Palette, and the Il Makiage Mineral Baked Highlighter. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, I'm testing the Stone Street Soaphouse Wholesome Body Souffle. This is like a body butter and I really needed this right now. My hands are so dry. Next, I'm using the Tony Moly I'm Red Wine Pore Tightening Mask. This is a wash-off mask that has a jelly texture. It's definitely a fun texture to apply. It feels like one of those really sticky primers. Now let's try the Fleur and B Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. This is the most expensive product this month for $65. It contains caffeine and peptides to awaken the skin around your eyes. After that, I'm using the Keys Soul Care Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. It's really thick. This is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, which are two things that I always prefer in my skincare. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Voss Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask. Even though it says overnight, it can be used anytime. I'm just going to keep this on while I apply my makeup. Now let's take a look at the Iconic London Treat Yourself Eyeshadow Palette. This 20-pan palette retails for $62. Here are some swatches. First, I'm picking up the shade Fudge Cake. I'm applying this to my crease. This is insanely pigmented. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Taffy. I'm using this to blend out what I just applied. Now that I've cut the crease, I'm dipping into the shade So Fresh. I'm applying this to the lid, keeping the inner part blank. To finish off the look, I'm taking the shade Soft Scoop. I'm adding this to the inner part of the lid. After that, we have the Benefit Porefessional Matte Primer. First, I thought this was a new look for the Pore Primer, but it's actually a completely new primer by Benefit. It's silky smooth and a little bit sticky. My skin looks so smooth. Now let's use the M2U Makeup Blending Sponge. This comes in 4 colors and I received the Pink Panda. It has a rounded side, a pointed tip, and a flat edge. It's doing a great job at blending. It's nice and bouncy. Finally, I'm applying the Il Makiage Mineral Baked Highlighter. This is in the shade Gimme More. Let's swatch it. It's such a nice champagne gold color. It looks so beautiful and luminous like it's candlelit. Here's the finished look using products from both the August Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.